Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. I'm your Prajesh again from ARAS Automobiles Private Limited, Renault showroom in Tirunelveli, and I'm here with the brand new 2021 Renault Triber RXT mid-spec variant. We have already seen that the top spec RXZ variant of the Renault Triber gets significant feature updates to make it more premium and desirable. However, this mid-spec RXT variant also gets a few feature updates. First, talking about the exteriors, the Renault Triber is a car which gets projector headlamps as standard across all variants, and on this RXT variant it also gets a chrome finished grille and silver finished skid plates. However, only on the RXZ variant does it get LED DRLs lower down on the front bumper in the place of fog lamps. All variants apart from the RXZ top spec variant get 14-inch steel wheels as standard with full wheel covers, available only on the RXL and RXT variants. While the stepped roof design is a standard design element, these long functional roof rails are standard only on the RXT and RXZ variants. Similarly, these side body decals are also standard only on the top spec variants. The only feature addition on the exterior are these LED ORVM blinkers for the hazards and the turn indicators, which is also a feature seen on the top spec RXZ variant. The lower spec RXE and RXL variants does not get this feature. Moving towards the back, the Renault Triber RXT variant looks exactly the same as before with the split tail lamps and the centrally located Triber badging. A reverse parking camera is available only on the top spec RXZ variant though, while 3 reverse parking sensors are standard on all variants. Similarly, a rear windshield wiper washer defogger is also available only on the top spec RXZ variant. So the Renault Triber is a pretty handsome looking compact MPV even on this mid-spec variant. Let's get inside this car now. Getting inside the Renault Triber RXT variant, you get to see almost the same level of features with a modern and practical design overall. It is only on the top spec RXT and RXZ variants you get all 4 power windows with electric adjustable ORVMs, while other small touches like the 4 metal finished door handles and fabric padded armrests are available only on the RXZ variant. Just like the top spec RXZ variant, this RXT also gets the large 8-inch touchscreen system and now also carries forward the steering mounted audio and Bluetooth telephony controls. This feature addition aims to improve the convenience for the driver while also giving a more complete and premium touch for the dashboard design. Apart from that, everything remains exactly the same, including the fully digital pizza inspired instrument cluster, the large 8-inch touchscreen system which is paired to 4 speakers, non-digital air conditioning and climate control, and yes, just like before, the RXT variant does not get a push button start which is available only on the RXZ variant. The RXT and RXL variants get a regular remote key. The finishing on the manual 5-speed gear lever is also different to that seen on the top spec RXZ variant. However, just like the RXZ variant, you also get rear AC vents and the large cool storage box in between the front row passengers. The seat fabric material is also different to that seen on the RXZ variant. And unlike the RXZ variant, which gets 4 airbags, this gets dual airbags along with ABS, EBD, engine immobilizer, central locking and reverse parking sensors. The RXT variant also gets glossy black finish on the dashboard as against to the 4 metal finish available on the RXZ. And only the RXT and RXZ variants get the dual glove box setup, while the lower spec RXE and RXL variant get only a single glove box. However, all doors come as standard with 1-liter bottle holders with many other storage spaces in the cabin. As the 2021 update, only the RXZ variant gets a driver seat height adjustment function, and that feature is not available on the lower spec variants. So that was all about the features on the front cabin of the RXT. Let's take a look at the back. The Renault Triber is a very flexible compact MPV which provides all the flexibility and adjustment options as standard from the RXE entry-level variant itself. The middle row gets a 60/40 split and folding function along with recline and sliding adjustment, while also offering a one-touch tumble-down function for the second row for easy ingress and egress into the third row. The third row seats can be removed completely to provide 625 liters of luggage space, and from the RXL variant itself, rear AC vents are standard for the second row and third row passengers. Here's a quick view of the dashboard of the RXT variant from the back seat, and this already well-loaded mid-spec variant looks more complete thanks to the steering-mounted audio controls. Let's now talk about the pricing. That was all about the brand new 2021 Renault Triber RXT mid-spec variant. To me, it does not seem like a mid-spec variant. That's because it is pretty well loaded while also offering a large touchscreen system and projector headlamps. Sure, it may not offer features like driver seat height adjustment and a reverse parking camera, but still with the space, flexibility and features on offer at this price point, that too without compromising on the value for money appeal, it is easy to see why the RXT mid-spec variant is the best-selling variant of the Renault Triber lineup. So do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this RXT variant of the Renault Triber. Meanwhile, this is Prajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.